You're listening to the 6 o'clock news
You're joking.
from BBC Radio 4.
121.9.
Not another one?
The main news so far, Downing Street says the Prime Minister Rishi Sunak is stepping down after the publication of allegations about inappropriate behaviour towards civil servants, teachers, junior doctors, BBC journalists and astronauts on the moon, which he denies. Here's our political correspondent carrying a knife.
There's too much politics going on at the moment. Why do it?
The former Conservative leader Sir Ian Duncan Smith has been put up for sale. The Canadian private equity firm Brookfield is looking to sell for between £4 and £5 outside a supermarket on Monday night, according to the Financial Times. Our entertainment correspondent Colin Patterson looks back at his life.
Oh, for God's sake, I can't stand this.
Piers Morgan has been fined for throwing an egg towards the King during a walkabout in Luton shortly after 8 o'clock this morning. 2 more people have been taken to hospital. Here's our technology editor, a criminal who should be brought to justice. Local authorities across the UK are making more than £750,000 every day from tax evasion and bribery. But critics said the amount of money being provided was insufficient. Here's our transport correspondent, a man who runs a waterfowl breeding farm in Dumfries and Galloway. Sport, and it's been another dramatic day at the top of the Premier League, while the women's tennis world number 1 is due before Newcastle Crown Court on Wednesday. In the city, the 100 share index ended the day on Wall Street a short time ago. The Dow Jones was on the currency markets. The pound is trading up against the euro. Sterling is at making a euro worth £88 billion. BBC News.